Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Genesis vs Jetta GLI, which is better. Use the chapter markers below to jump to performance, comfort, or ownership costs. Follow along for quick takeaways and a final recommendation you can use when shopping or test driving. Let's walk through performance in friendly terms so you can feel the differences even if you never drive both back-to-back. Listen for engine character, braking confidence, and steering feedback, and I'll highlight which car wins for spirited driving and which favors calm highway cruising for daily comfort. If you're enjoying the comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel. And quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that fit perfectly in cup holders and trunks for test drive snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. When comparing comfort and value, think about what you use daily. Genesis rewards long stretches of highway with plush seating and quieter cabins, while Jetta GLI stretches your dollar with fun handling and lower entry cost. Consider maintenance, insurance, and how long you plan to keep the car before deciding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.